presentation by me make him, look him when him kind fish now. You miss have go from the next 20 years. Because since 1980, he come custom today. Since 1980, come custom today. You may look him. You may been go through one period, 40 years. And then you may ask him question. When him now all achievement, you me as a nation. When him now achievement, you me one as a families. When him now achievement, you me as a communities. So today, every church, every pastor, every chief, communities, only discuss him. What situation we stop in the country. And our political leaders, only been cattle vision, only create them all political parties. So before me go inside, firstly, Mr. Naplo tell him thank you. The best political party where Emi give him Yumi, Emi run him Yumi since 1979, Emi been formed, lo Aijab, lo Olon Falap, lo Karam Yumi, lo Hauna Yumi Sabe Karam Baknio British. Okay, thank you. So, time Yumi stop countdown, to wala political party siya, to wala lead him Yumi, lo go through lo political freedom. And lo time ya fanu party, Emi sitema one good pace, lo one Kaufman. And Kaufman niya, Emi got one majority Kaufman. And lo time Emi got one strong opposition bloc. And strong opposition bloc here. Emi set up, Emi no blow town one Kaufman, but Emi stop also one Kaufman whip. He make him say Father Lini Kaufman, Emi very strong. And time ya time Emi very strong. You mean even Vanuatu time you me born, you me young lo time ya, bro you me come ni Vanuatu, you me come also all real architect. And Kaufman blow the line Emi show him how you me architect lo time ya. Time you me architect, you me come blow you me create them 2 engine room lo country. 2 engine room lo country ya 1 Emi development bank, number 2 Emi cooperative federation. Time to on you me roll him this development. And the last 10 years blow Padalini Kaufman. Lo 1980, ikam kasem lo 1990. Lo 10 years ya, you may have been achieved. And full of something, you stop happen lo country. All development where you may stop crapping inside lo country ya. Time 2 engine room only form him. 2 engine room ya, to create them all products. Within our resource into products. And all products ya, you may name him. You got filament, you got santo meat, you got biscuit, you got soap. You may got Prima Juice, you may got Pepsi Cola, you may got Sleeper made in Vanuatu. So many things same happen. So you may start cruise, especially you may build up. Lo Narvala side, you may build them all assets. You may, lo Kaufman. And all assets ya, you name them. You may got Post and Telecom, you may got Unelco, you may got Airport Vanuatu, you may got Tour Vanuatu, Tourism. When man Vanuatu with them Kaufman only on him. And then I mean when me happen the country. You make at all asset also Lotana li call him Kaufman Tana Coffee, Tana Cold Room. And then you make at Lampupuka project. And then you make at Copra Oil Mill Lo Santo. And all something yeah. And make also more assets lo Yumi, lo country. And then you make at all products. So this is the first piece plum 10 years economy where Father Kaufman and me grow him. Question come, lo Yumi as an Vanuatu. When am I wrong? From when am something you collapse. And then from when am I finish? Today no got any man Vanuatu and me ask him question about from when am something you finish. As you sit down, Papa me make one presentation, lo talk about how now you me weak. Lo this documentary, me want to make him one presentation, lo talk about all strength, more weakness, lo you me. And before by me make him, by me start him historian, lo look him first weaknesses, lo you me, lo Neo-British. Lo Neo-British time, all Vanuatu, all Neo-Britain people, only been well educated, lo one education program, lo gata. And education program, yeah, only call him unusual method program. When something only grow him lo time, yeah, only no school, but only got one best education system where he been running, lo country and Neo-British. But got one weakness po gata. Weakness po gata, yeah, problem lo gata, only no sabi when him outside wall by bring him lo country. And then one little first weakness po gata lo time, yeah, time when all kaku trading activity emi taking place lo country. And you may sabi good business po kaku trading. And now emi face foreign policy when me land on your British. Kako trading activities, emi give him Yumi, emi weaken him all forefathers or generation blame you on your British. How only weak from say all you know save. All you know save when it happen. And no time ya, through lo kako trading, one stick tobacco, only exchange with one big piece of land. And no time ya, one pipe of smoke, only exchange with one big piece of land. And slowly tam kako trading activities ikam ka same time where all missy only full town. Tam missy only land, when it happen lo new British time ya, light emi come. Light when me been sign ya, and me been sign through lo all generation or leaders play me lo time ya. And time ya, and me land straight lo all fella, well he karam you me pe only look some light. Light ya coat me been walk, spirit play me been walk through lo gatas. Time me been walk through lo gata, only look him something. And weakness ya, time only find him out, only find him say, hey, something going on wrong. Suppose me no careful. And Papa one day, Papa he lose some all land on New British. And then only sit down, only discuss him. All New Britain people only question him, say, how na pa me carry back all crown blue you me? And one question answer when me come out lo time, ya say, you know that blue you me carry back crown blue you me, pa me unite. After you me unite, you me put on pressure, blue you me talk. Pa you me talk, plus him lo British mo Franis, you mean it him crown blue me come back. Pressure me strong. All follow only town. Tam only young follow no time. Generation blue me no time ya. Only question say, pe how na pa me put on pressure? Because to wala man ya to wala power. How na pa me put on pressure? And lo narvala side only this only town say pa me talk. You me unite. You me discuss him. How na pa me come back? So, ikam lo one time where ikat one answer and come out. Okay, you know that blow you make a background, you me unite, blow you make him pressure, blow make him say, to will condominium powers, to will give him back whenever you may want him. So, you know that blow you make him, idea blow political association and me form. So, story and me one, pero 1979, first political party when me form. Bro, only look him say, answer blow you make a back, you may must concede the political powers. Anglophone, only unite, Plotalem, yes, you may go from independence. While Francophone, only unite, only Talem say, maybe, but not now. What about you may sabe go slow? You may work with them to voila. Because you mean already. Then pressure me stop go between New British people, only split the two groups. Time to split the two groups, lo time ya, you me so lucky from British Mofranis to run them, you me, to no got choice, to must come lo compromise lo 1979. Compromise lo to ya now, he gave him you me 1/8, he said him you me 1/8 line. 30 July 1980, New Britain, Pamba you current freedom blue. So when him now me answer, best answer. Anglophone in unite as a New Britain, only been unite all denomination, only Anglophone denomination, only unite what they want majority, lo give him power. Lo first political party where me been formed lo New British lo time ya. And party ya me fonoko party. What to tell me call me mama party blow you me. Okay, when I'm now main reason blow forth blow on New Britain generation lo time ya. When I'm now main reason blow forth blow gada. Lo time ya Anglophone community only been unite. Only united recent blow let me one more. You may give him power. You may give him power lo fonoko party. You may line the polling station after you may 40 you may independent, you may carry freedom. After number 2 recent blame, you may carry freedom, you may independent, crown he come back. And make him say chapter 12 the constitution after we Republican Party, sorry, ni Vanuatu, emi form, emi come ni Vanuatu as you become citizen, as a ni Vanuatu no longer New British, you may been Putum lo constitution, or lo sign him, lo chapter 12 lo constitution, article 72, 73, and me say, land belongs to Castomona and descendants. And now me recent lo put, lo all generation lo you me, lo first election, lo 1979. And me no more got one more recent behind lo imya. The only reason, plo leaders or generation plo yumi lo time ya, tam oli line lo first polling station, emi yumi give him fourth political power, lo fano ko party, crown ikampak. 1980, every man new British, oli kam ni Vanuatu, oli hippie pure throughout the country. Big celebration in Mr. Ko from achievement. From achievement. Blo Kapman, blo fano ko party. Achievement, blo people blo new British. British Yandova, and we give him power, he give him rights. Blo, okay, you congratulations, first Prime Minister Fadalini. Now, your nation, young nation of Vanuatu, and we stop lo hand blo yumi. So lo time ya, and we want strakolia. Lo time ya, and politics blo yumi. Only go for a reason. People blo new British, only got one heart, only unite. Blo only karem, you may achieve him when only call him political freedom. Political freedom, you may achieve him ya. Recently, many one more. Land belongs to Castomona and descendants. 1980 to 1990, 10 years period. First Land Act, we've been introduced to time ya, and 75-year lease. From when I'm now in 75-year lease. Because time you may out him to la condominium powers. Want something in life is stop lo country, where to fly loco. To fly out the cope life, to fly stop in lo country. All Vanuatu, ipin sefe, and pick and stop every island lo country. So, you know, taplo, you may run them Capman, you may as a young nation, to fly, you may need to crap him, or cataplo, help him, or help him, you me. So, no time ya, only pin stop all small foreman. Only help him, you may build them all house, me. And that is why you may build them first 9 assets. Ministry of Education, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Fisheries, and Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and others. You may build them all base, all assets, you may strong, you may stand up, you may create them, you may become creative, you may create them all products, time, only build them all assets, Kapman Blolini, and we set them up new 10 years program. New 10 years program, we build them best states economy. Time and we build them 2 engine room lo country. 1, and we development bank. Number 2, and we cooperative federation. Time 2 engine room me to lay form, and then we go all products. You're saying 1 tank of water and overflow, after we go outside water and we wash him. All places. New Britain people will come ni Vanuatu or you can swim lo time ya. Time oli ka own products plokada. When you call them filament, when you call them santo meat, you may call them biscuit, you may call them soap. So you may call biscuit crackers, you may wear them sleeper, we made the Vanuatu. Time you may call assets. You may got all assets. 1, development bank. 2, cooperative federation. And then you may got 2 of Vanuatu. And then you may got post and telecom. And then you may got airport Vanuatu. And then you may got Capman store. And then you may got Capman fuel station. And then you may got Wenem, Oli Colem Lotana, Tana Coffee, Tana Gold Room, or Fishery Department on Island, Public Works Department on Island, or you make him walk. Place me clear. Every man Vanuatu, you know Catman Island, where me out the island and me come lo put filler. Because every man he got work pro make him lo island. 1984 and me up lo pulu cattle project. And agriculture show. Or something he make him live on Watu and me busy. And time me busy and me start building out pace pro economical freedom. Fatalini me been looking and me been set him up lo Capman. Lo Capman him lo time ya. So as you me stop countdown lo 1980 to 1990. Want something? Ikam kasim time is go from N plo number 3 tem plo Capman, number 2 tem sorry, lo 1990, lo 1991. You may stop countdown when you go through lo number 3 tem. He got one mistake. He got first weakness plo you me never know how to after 11 years. Weakness yeah, and me weakness plo temptation plo leadership. Time o leadership me only tempted plo leadership. Lo position belong Prime Minister. And when I one vision, I tell how me look him, how ni Vanuatu, and me divided from political interests. So when it may happen, every man you want to go from position to Prime Minister. And then lo time na time, first political party divide, and lo narvila side, UMP too also one strong opposition bloc. Lo emi stand up, lo make sure say, Walter in a man and in business. Time strong opposition bloc,